Stop! Are you looking to come to Germany? If it's so, then you are at the right place, because in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the steps you are going to take in order to come to Germany. Now the important thing here is I'm focusing the study track. You got to know that you can come in Germany in two different time periods. One is in spring and other is basically quarter to the spring. So the most important admission intake is basically spring, and that's in the period of March and April. Plenty of time for your people to gear up and to make the necessary arrangement that you gonna need when you're going to apply for admissions. So I'm going to walk you through the necessary steps that you're gonna take in order to ensure that you make your journey to Germany the coming year. So guys, I'm on my laptop screen, and the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google and you have to write a list of universities in Germany. That will make you to land on Wikipedia page where you can find a lot of universities that are basically in Germany. So it will take a hell amount of time to scan each and every university and find out and figure out whether that university has the department that you are looking for. You have 4 or 5 months left, so you can like search on this page like 10 or 15 university per day, so that you can like make a list of university, like let us suppose you can make a choice of like 10 to 15 university that you really want to apply for. Now the most important thing is that this page gives you an information of all the universities that are in Germany, but it doesn't give you the information whether it's a public university or it's a private university. Now this point is really important, that if you are applying for a university, you should really make sure that you want to come in the public university rather landing into a private university, because the reason is the public university charge really less fees as compared to the private university. So in order to shortlist your university, you can also write public university in Germany, and you will land up into a page where you can get list of universities that are public universities and that are not the private universities. You can go to the university, you can check whether the department in which you are looking for admission is present at that university or not, and then you can make a list, or you can make a short list that whether which university you want to go for. Now the first thing and the most basic thing is you have to switch to UniAssist. UniAssist is basically a centralized admission portal. Basically fetches your application and send it to the university you are applying for. Remember one thing, that UniAssist gives you an option that you can apply maximally to 3 university in one application fee. The tentative fee for the UniAssist right now is approximately 20 euros. So for 20 euros you can apply to 3 different university and let UniAssist take care of your application procedure. And once you are done, it will let you know that whether you got the admission or not, and obviously you will carry forward yourself towards the visa application. So guys, I hope that this video would have been informative to you all people, and I have mentioned all the important points that you really need to focus in order to make your application to the German university. Still, if there is some doubt in your mind, just let me know. Just write on the comment section below. I'll make another vlog for it. Till then, stay tuned. See you in my next vlog. Bye.